Hello guys, this is my name is Obasi Engineer Obasi. I studied electrical and air conditioning. I am a HVAC and instrumentation technician. This is a smart inverter AC. Smart inverter AC consume current more than non-conventional, more than non-inverter AC. Take a look. Maximum current, 11 amps. Heating capacity, cooling through heating, 5,272 watts. Okay. Non-inverter AC, 2 horsepower. Take a current of 6.5 amps, while inverter take from 0.8 amps to 11 amps. So if you have inverter AC or inverter system in your house, you go and buy standing unit, buy inverter AC, it will fail you. Because the system they put, it is called soft start system. They parallel the capacitor so that it will start in a soft mode. Accumulatively, you will reach the capacity and pass the capacity of non-inverter AC. So the one they produce to Nigeria, it is not safe 75% as they say. It has not safe. I prove it wrong. It has not safe. Smart inverter. This voltage is low, it will not carry it. So inverter AC consume more than non-inverter AC. 1 horsepower non-inverter AC, LG, consume 4.3 to 4.5 amps. You multiply that with 220 or 230 volts, it will give you about 990 watts. I proved them wrong. That this is soft start, it consumes more than non-inverter AC. Subscribe to my channel, and there are more videos that I'm gonna upload concerning inverter system or inverter air conditioner. Thanks for watching. This is standing unit. Stand for watching. The standing unit air conditioner.